Gifts for Gus. The sound of hard G. So see, here's gifts. How many gifts? 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts. Gus got a lot of gifts. There's Gus. Cute little boy, like his party hat. How many gifts? 1, 2. Gus got a toy car. Wow, look at that car. Love the blue car. Gus got a goldfish. Wow, look at that. There's the goldfish in the goldfish bowl. Gus got a wagon. Wow, that is a super dandy wagon right there. Carry all kinds of things in that. You can even take a ride. Somebody pull you around for a walk. That Gus got a good wagon. Gus got a book. Oh, wow. Love books. Gus got a book. Gus got a green ball. Look at that. Nice green ball. Play for a long time with that green ball. Gus got new boots. Wow, aren't those snazzy? Nice boots. What color are those boots? They're black. Gus got gumballs. Oh, we got a gumball machine. Look at all the colors. Yellow and green, blue, orange, red. Look down here. There's a red one. Orange, yellow, green, blue, and there's a purple one. Gus got gumballs. Gus got a gold hat. Isn't that snazzy? Look at it. A gold hat. Gus got many good gifts. Look at his cake. Doesn't that look good with the chocolate and the vanilla white frosting? Over here it looks like marshmallows, some cupcakes. What a nice party for Gus. Our word list. Gifts, gold, goldfish, good, got. Green, gumballs, Gus, wagon. You can hear the G in there, can't you? And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you for listening to the letter G.